Hetty. This poem's called Hetty. Hey, it's Hetty, short for Henrietta, but you can call me Hetty. I got a heifer flow, yo. Giant, twin flow, massive capacity, brush for upholstery. I'm enthusiastic because I'm pneumatic. I'm pink to make boys wink. I'm not just a pretty face, you know. Henry, George, Charles and James, they're fantastic, but they don't have lashes, 4 wheels, and I still tip over, but I'm still the best Hoover you will manoeuvre. I'm gonna vacuum your room, give me a floor and I'll suck it hard, suck it wood, suck it tile, suck it vinyl, suck it stone, I'll suck it lino, short pile, laminate, carpet, stairs, nooks, crannies, spiders, underbed bunnies. I'll clean your house, your boat, your car, your van. I'll never stop sucking, dusting or busting. Wind out my flex cause I love a mess. 6 litre dust bag capacity, supporting the British economy. Power 620 watt unit. Check out my specs, you'll be impressed. Brush tool, crevice tool, mattress tool, multi-tool, turbo tool, Flowmax hose, 2-speed, high-low controls. I'm Hetty, I'm foraging for scum, I'm munching your rugs, I'm guzzling grit, I'm gobbling up all your shit. Poem.
Yeah!
Is it Rob with the violin?
Yeah.
Please, can we have Rob with the violin? Can we have a round of applause for Rob with the violin?
Woo!
Yeah, I do have a lead.